Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Now over here, yes, today what we are going to look out for, right? Since today is we're having some banks holiday, right? So volume can be pretty low, right? In the observance of this Queen's holiday birthday, all right? Okay, so we got to be very careful with our trading because over here we may experience a lower volume. All right. Okay. So what are we going to take note about things like this? All right. Okay. So just to pay attention to. All right. All right. Okay. So over here. Okay. So what we'll be looking out for. All right. Okay, so right now, I think tentatively this will be a bit low. Okay, so look out for all. I'm actually now looking at Aussie CAD. Okay, and Aussie CAD is actually still very near to the support. Okay, pretty near to the support, and over here seems like things like everything is still running. Okay, okay. Well, let's see. Okay, let's hope everyone can hear me. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, good. Right. So just hang on for a moment. All right. Because right now, okay, things are up, running up, waiting for my system to come out again. All right. Yes. Yeah. Today seems that today we are now on this holiday for a lot of banks a little bit low. Okay, so tentatively, yeah, just hang on. Okay. Well, today we are going to discuss. Okay, we are going to discuss more on the situation. Okay, so that we don't really have a lot of trade, I guess. Okay, and yeah, just hang on first. All right. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. Hi, Hubert. Holiday. Yeah, throughout. Okay. It's my time to travel back to Germany. Oh, okay. Right, right, right. Okay, so have a safe trip. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so let's take a look. Yeah, today we are going to focus a little bit on this Aussie franc. Am I right? Okay, but Aussie franc. Let's take a look. Things like this. Okay, focusing on Aussie franc may also be good, but just to observe. Okay, that you're going to test the resistance. That's very important. Yes, yes, yes. Testing the resistance. Yeah. Right. Hang on, guys. Please hang on. Okay. Okay. So I hope everyone can hear me right now. Okay. Let's check. Let's check. Some connection issue over here. Yeah. Okay, so tentatively, just hang on with me. All right, thank you so much. Right. Okay. So, well, hopefully, I'm back with you. If you can hear me, yes. Okay. Right. And let's see. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Let's see. Today, we are actually looking out for Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, pound yen, and dollar CAD. Right. Okay. Then this is something here. Well, okay. Not to worry about this holiday. Okay, you're having a holiday now, huh? Okay, but then again, is that I guess it's pretty fine because over here today what we are going to do is that if there's any chance of entry, low volume will be experienced, then we are going to pay attention to how confident can we can grab. If not, okay, then we will just keep a lookout of some of the potential currency pairs that we are going to have. All right, then probably it will come along tomorrow. Okay, yeah, I guess that will be better in a sense that we can be patient to wait so that we don't have to rush ourselves into any trades. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, so it's gonna be slow today. Yes, exactly. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Since that's the case, no worry about that. Okay, so we can just discuss about it. All right. Uh-huh. Okay, so over here, usually in such situation, okay, most of the time when there are some major holidays, okay, that especially if you ask me, like say, uh, for the Europe's hour, okay, the Europe hour, the London hour, if there's any say holiday, okay, the bank holiday especially, okay, the trading volume will be much lower. Okay, it will be much lower. So in a way, okay, we will just need to be careful and avoid certain things. All right, avoid certain timing to trade. But by looking at the London hour, okay, we still have London hour going on. Okay, so but of course, the Euro hour is on holiday, so it's pretty quiet. Okay, I believe it will be quite quiet over here. Nevertheless, okay, there are plenty of things to observe over this period of time. At the same time, also, okay, US hour, okay, US, and also we talk about Japan hour. All right. So of course, Japan hour is ending soon. All right. So ending. All right. So then we will just need to observe what's going on, okay, right now. All right. So as well as today, I will not be going for. I will keep this live session short, okay, so that we will be able to enjoy the holiday as well. All right. Okay. So yep. Aussie franc, okay. Tentatively right now, I'm still actually watching over that. Going to test on the resistance. As why am I looking at this area of resistance? First of all, okay, I will be looking at this level of resistance here. Why do I look at this level of resistance when it has been broke before? Okay, it's broken before, and now right here, coming back here. Why am I plotting this resistance over here? Because it seems like, of course, we cannot determine that it's going to be a perfect head and shoulder. Okay, but more or less, I want to see, I want to observe and take a look whether if this is the time that it will start to retrace down, so that it will become a so that it will become one head and shoulder that we will be looking out for. Okay, right. Okay, so right here, okay, let's see what do we have here. Hi Ada, nice to see you here. Roger, thank you. Okay, yes. Yep. So can we just focus on Pao Yen? Huh? Okay, Pao Yen. Let's take a look. Okay, Pao Yen. All right. So if I'm looking at Pao Yen is going to retest the resistance once again. Yes, going to retest the resistance. Yeah. Okay. So for such situation to retest the resistance over here, it can have break off from this resistance. It's just that we just need to pay attention, just to be very careful about this. Okay. Yes. Mm. Okay. Well, okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Okay, so right now, I'm actually waiting for as for Pao Yan. Okay, Pao Yan. I'll be waiting to see. Okay, to see if the next hour will there be any of these double top over here, where I see double top in the way of this part here. This is the top. Okay, so over this is one of the resistance that we are looking out for. So if any double top that fall within the range, okay, this range, all right, and forming another new resistance to sell, okay, so basically that will really interest me. Okay, that will really interest me. But tentatively, it's still in the making, so I am still observing. I'm only observing about this so that I am more onto the situation that I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to wait for it to happen. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Right now, pound may have volatility over the week. I would say yes, very likely. Very likely it will have. Okay. Very likely. So over here, by looking out for all these, this is something that we need to be patient, because right now, as we can see, Boris Johnson is actually facing a vote of this confidence as MPs from his ruling Conservative Party. Okay, that trigger a ballot that could end his premiership. Well, news like this that actually surface, that actually will definitely that will definitely shake a little bit. Okay. But then again, is that we still, as a retail trader, I will still prefer to make sure, okay, that things are really going as in our way. Okay, so that we will not get ourselves into the trouble. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that is correct. Okay. So basically, just to make sure, yes, just to make sure that it is actually just to make sure. Okay. Right. Yeah. So now, as for me, I'm going to see whether things is going our way before we actually take action. Okay. If not, it can be uh no, no, no. I don't mean that. I don't mean that. I'm not going to trade. Okay, they're bound to have some chance. Okay, within this whole week. Yeah. No, 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 no. Okay. Well, there'll be turbulence along the way, so that so along the way when we are facing all this turbulence, we will be looking at how it's going to be. All right. Okay. So today, since we are a bit leisure, okay, I'm going to also input with some Mandarin as well. All right. OK，今天呢，我呢也会有说一些中文。那么我今天也会说一些中文呢，这些有没有任何听中文的人现在是在线上的呢？有在线上的那些听中文的朋友呢，能不能跟我打个招呼呢？OK，那么我也大概那么我也知道说你们有在。OK，这样的话呢，我会用中文也来说来讲解一些。OK。Right. So, yeah, for those who actually can understand Mandarin, okay, let me know. All right, so that I know you're online as well. So that today I will also uh, have a mixture of English and also the Mandarin. All right. Okay. Yes. Yeah, of course. In this video, I'll be using a live chat here, so that to go live with everybody to let's analyze it together. What will be the plans will be? Okay, what are the plans that will be for the head? Okay, so that everybody will have a better idea of what we are going to do in this one whole week. Okay, yes, that's right, huh? Okay, Roger. 我算不算会听中文？Okay, of course, of course. Okay, Roger. Yes, yes. Yep. Right. So yes, we're going to wait. Tentatively, I don't see any chance for me to take action yet. Okay, because tentatively, it is still that they are still testing. This is the period they are still testing, whereby the testing is still going on. Okay, and it is still in the making, right? In the making for selling. Okay, so tentatively, I'm still waiting for the good chance to enter for a trade. Okay, right. So over here, let's see. Dollar CAD. Right. Okay, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Okay. Right now, dollar CAD. Okay, for this dollar CAD, we have right now dollar CAD has already tested on the resistance over here, this part here. All right. So this resistance. Okay, let me have it clearer. Okay, which has been tested last Friday. Okay, so as of today, it has already started to swing down. So as it's swinging down, I will say that tentatively we have a bit to wait. Okay, we have a bit to wait. So tentatively, let's hang on with this as well. All right. Okay. Okay. So yep. Any The rest of this, I don't see any opportunity right now so far. Okay. So far for the pound, okay, so far. Pound CAD, pound CAD, pound CAD. No, probably is on the next week. Sorry, next day. Okay. Pound CAD. Now looking at it, I will say it's next day. All right. Then I think pound CAD is not. No, it's not really that good yet. Okay. All right. Okay. And what else do we have? Okay, let's hang on for a little while. Uh huh. Yes. Okay. It can be a very extremely blue Monday. Oh, yeah, extremely blue Monday. Well, probably. Okay, so just take this blue Monday as a planning for the rest of the week. I guess that maybe still be pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yes, 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 that's correct. Okay. All right. So for those who just joined in into my live streaming here, this is ACS Learning Hub official channel. So we will be here in the live trading to discuss the trade with everyone. Everyone is welcome to contribute your views and let us learn together, and we can share the points together. So maybe we can also make profits together, right? Okay. So over here, okay. Yes. Have a long weekend. Yeah, for me. Are you talking about me? Yes. Yeah. The weekend. Yes. Full of events for the past 2.5 days since the second half of the Friday, all the way until yesterday night. Yes. Okay. So wow. Okay, it's pretty long. Well, nevertheless, okay, we still yeah yeah, we still have to go on. Okay. So right now, okay, so let's look at some other currency pairs, like example Aussie franc. Do we have something out there? How's the movement like this Aussie franc? Okay, now this Aussie Swiss over here, all right, Aussie Swiss over here is looking at this thing, and we are now right now. Okay, I will say that tentatively from this area. Okay, from this area we are looking at things like it has tested the support, correct? Okay, so we can see actually from this it actually retraced downwards and retest, then now is coming down for a lower resistance, a lower highs is a sign of selling, am I right? So after that, okay, it's actually coming for a pullback over here. Now pullback one, two, and now going for a lower resistance as well. So this lower resistance is actually lower than the previous lower resistance, correct? But again, there's one more over here, which now I will say that it's not really that fantastic for a pullback to form a lower resistance. Okay, so let's see. Okay, right. So far there's nobody responds to me. If 你们听得懂中文吗? So I will be continue with English. Okay, all right. Okay, okay. 好的哈，那么如果有一些华人啊，会听中文的人呢，正在线上跟着我们的话呢，请让我知道。这样的话呢，我也会使用一些这个中文来讲解。OK，right。如果你有问题的话如果你有问题的话，你也可以发问问题啊。OK，alright。So yeah, so English, Mandarin, and of course the Thai. Sawadee krap. Okay, if you need me for some explanation, okay, so that you can เข้าใจ, then let me know. Then I will also explain slowly. All right. Okay. All right. So right now, as for Aussie franc, this hour we are still moving to the north. So tentatively, still waiting for the right time. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then this is something that I will be looking out for. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Right now, as for Aussie franc, okay, Aussie franc over here, I won't, I don't really see any opportunity. Okay. All right. Okay. Sawadee krap, kung si ขอบคุณมากครับเข้าใจครับ Okay, good, good, good. That's good. All right. ดีมาก Okay, so yes. Okay. So for Aussie yen over here, all right. Usually, situation like this, there's the setup has a reversal of course. By looking at this, is there any chance that we can still sell? Seems like it's testing right onto the one of the H4 resistance over here, as you can see, right? The resistance. Okay, so over here we are also quite concerned about this over this area. Okay, we're quite concerned about this area of resistance. As we can see, one resistance here. Okay, let me zoom in. You see, it touches and it came down and retest once again. Okay, it retest once again, and now it's coming back. So will there be a chance that it will start to go down straight away? I will say probably, but okay, but if we're looking at the whole trend right now, it is actually quite a very strong push for the bull. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, right, we are now merely right here. There's one resistance, okay, the resistance over here that forms as a support. Okay, that forms as a support for today. As you can see, there's a candle rejected up, correct? A candle rejected up. Okay, let me zoom in further in. So you see this one, okay, there's a resistance, and this resistance eventually become a support over here, right? So as you can see, the candle came down and got rejected, now become a hammer. So right now, okay, as I will say that we may need to wait for this retracement, okay, to come back here. So in a way, okay, let me put this up here. Okay, so probably you can see that if it's actually hitting on the resistance, then there may be a chance of 80 pips, about 80 pips. Okay, about 80. Okay, 80 pip. Okay, 80个点. All right. So in this 80 pips of space, it depends on where did you enter. Then probably we will be able to grab some profit for the pullback until the pullback breaks this and it's actually started to enter into the selling. Then I guess that will be that until then there will be a good chance for selling as well. Okay, all right, okay. So today, I guess today the movement, okay, again will be slow. So we will not waste a lot of time in this on the MT4. Okay, for situation like this, a little bit of sharing. Okay, a little bit of sharing. When we are trading in the forex market, volume is very important. Okay, volume is very important. If there isn't any enough volume, okay, to push to make the to create the movement, then don't waste your time sitting in front of the MT4. Okay, don't give yourself a target like say, oh, today I have to I have to make 100 USD or 1,000 USD. Okay, and you're gonna sit down here so long to the extent that there isn't any movement, there isn't any volume, but you will trigger yourself. You will trigger yourself, giving yourself a lot of unrealistic entry, okay, and giving yourself a chance to make losses for the day. Okay, so when today is a day when it's low volume, we will just go through a little bit, okay, and not perhaps if there isn't any chance, then we will not go for any entry. All right. Even there's some entry, I can tell you probably you will see that it's so slow. You know, perhaps in the US market, yes, it will have a movement, a little bit of movement, but it's still very slow. So very likely you may experience yourself, holding a trade over the day, and you will incur swap fee. Okay. Right. So this is something just bear that in mind. Okay, so that we will not give ourselves a lot of unrealistic or fake imagination that where it will be going. Okay. All right. So bear that in mind. Okay. So yep. Today, let's take a look. Okay. Okay. Pretty slow, right? Yeah. But nevertheless, okay, we still have some. Okay, we still have some to go. All right. Yep. Let's see. Okay. Aussie franc. All right, Aussie franc over here. Okay, Aussie franc. Now let's take a look. Aussie franc. Aussie franc. All right. So after tested a few rounds, coming back here again. Okay, so let's zoom in and take a look. There's an upper wick here. Okay, so are we going to sell today? Right now, no, no. Okay, Aussie franc, no, no. This is not the right time yet. We still have we still have some time to go before we actually go into a situation that we can start selling. Okay, so probably will be on the next H4 opening. Then there will be a good chance to sell. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Last week was a good week, so we can continue to grab the profit this week. Yes, I do agree. Okay, I agree that last week, I would say it's a good week. The week before is really a good week. Last week, I think my analysis a bit too advanced of time, ahead of time, whereby okay, I was reading some charts that like it will start selling, but the selling actually came after 1 day. Okay, but of course, nevertheless, is still we still managed to capture. We still managed to capture. Okay, but that particular day there's a long wait. It's really a patient testing. So that then the next day, that actually we are actually managed to really capture some profits from there. Okay, 恭喜恭喜 Sawadee krap, 恭喜 Are you here with me? Okay. Okay, so over here, yeah, just like to ask 恭喜 okay, 恭喜 count order 吗 For the past 1 week, did you count any order? Did you count order? And did you manage to grab some profits last week? Okay, so let's have some discussion here. Okay, then we probably can along the way we can just look out for any potential one to see. Okay, what it will form up, and then what will actually comes along for us. Right? Okay. Yes. Okay. So tentatively, yep. Let's take a look. Yep. Okay. Uh. Tentatively, I'll be looking at things like this. Change. Okay, let's see. Let's wait. Okay. Hmm. Well, right now, Aussie yen is moving upwards. Uh, so retesting the resistance is very highly possible. Okay, retesting the resistance over here is very highly possible. Okay, it's very highly possible. Yeah, good. Okay, right. Okay, so for this instance over here, okay, I will wait for a little while. I will just wait for a little while. All right. Okay. Yes. OK，just another reminder，来，我们再提醒一下，今天呢，因为这个流量蛮低的，所以呢，今天我会用中文和英文，right，还有一些少许的这个泰文，OK。那么呢，那么如果你们有听中文的人，也现在还是在线上的话，可以可以有问题可以发问，OK。那么也让我知道有中文的听众也在这里的话呢，我们呢也会那么我就知道说你们有在，那么我也会用中文来翻译做讲解，OK。好的，那么我们来看看一下哈。All right. Okay, so over here, okay, let's take a look at Aussie yen over here. Well, probably, I would say that right now, okay, as we can see over here, as we zoom out, we can take a look. Right now, it's actually okay this way. As you can see over here, it is a double bottom. So the double bottom actually still stay within the double bottom over here, and it is actually still continue to move up. Okay, move up. All right, all right. Gongsi, yes, you are still here. Okay, I'm actually just now I was asking last week, did you call order and did you manage to grab some profits? Okay. Okay, so over here, and this way, right now, we are still having a higher support, and am I right? Higher support. So usually, what we are going to do is that, okay, in this higher support, as we can see, higher support, higher lows, higher support, higher lows. So we are actually waiting for it to test on the main resistance over here, all right? So that over at this point, then we will take a look if this resistance will be break towards to a higher high, a higher resistance. Okay, a higher resistance. All right. Okay, a little bit behind. Okay, a little bit behind. All right. Uh, okay. So not to worry. Okay. So just keep in the pace. Okay, and slowly, I believe you will move ahead. All right. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Yep. Today. Yes. How do we actually capture? Okay, so over here, okay, if, let me zoom into H1 time frame. I think that will be better and easier for me to explain as well. Okay, so this is the range over here. All right, as you can see. All right, so okay, probably I just move this. Okay, let me move this. All right, so let me move this blue box over here. Okay, I'll move this blue box over here. All right, so this area. All right, this area over here. Okay, what am I going to do is that I'm going to wait for a double top. Okay, a double top. All right. So what do I mean by the double top? Okay. So from the resistance area over here, you can see there's a resistance from the real body to the top of the wick. All right. So right now, as you can see, this area here, it came in. Okay, it came in. Okay, last week. Then it started to swing down. Correct, because it has formed a double top. So when you see a double top, okay, a double top, it can be a double top can be one of the way that you can actually identify some I wouldn't say reversal that much, okay, but there will be a retracement, a pullback, all right. Unless it actually breaks certain area, that will actually become a selling reversal. Okay, so let me put it this way. Okay, for example, in our class, okay, we will be sharing things like, okay, how to read a reversal. Okay, how to read that that this point of time that the price will be coming down, coming to for selling. Okay, so that we will be able to sell at that point of time to grab some profit. Okay, first of all, okay, for me, as I always say that we need a structure. Okay, we need a structure to actually to start trading in forex market, so that we will also following the structure strictly, that we will not fall apart. Okay, falling apart from the structure is really quite dangerous. Why is that so? It's because you will not be able to trade. Okay, you will not be able to trade in a structure with rules, okay, to satisfy the condition. Okay, so the identify the situation over here, I usually put it this way. Resistance is always coming in the range. Okay, resistance always coming in the range. There's no specific level. All right. So, like example, okay, for this is the resistance over here, as we can see from the real body and up to the upper wick. So this is the range of resistance. Okay, this is the range of resistance. So as we can see, a double top, it doesn't mean that, okay, I touch and it goes, okay, went up so high and come back within this range and I can start selling. All right. So for me, usually what I do is that when I look at the candle of buying entering into the range, when I see entering in the range, I wouldn't want to see closing above the range. I'm talking about this candle, the current candle. Okay, I wouldn't want to close above the range. I want it to close within the range, all right, or below the range for selling. Okay, for selling. If there's a wick going up and come back to close within the range, that's fine. Okay, I would say that that's pretty fine, and we can continue to look out for selling opportunity. Okay, so if the next candle open, all right, the next candle open started to have a sell down, right, selling down, okay, then that is a sign. That will be a sign of selling already. Okay, so when I talk about engulfing, okay, so I will first of all I want to see a real body, okay, started to come into the previous candle, okay, to come into the previous candle, starting to erase the gains. Okay, I want to see them. I want to see a red candle in the range, in the resistance range, okay, coming down to engulf and erasing the gains from the previous hour. Then that will be actually a one good tips given by the market, okay, so that we can actually start trading. All right. Okay, so like now, example like this is actually tested the double top. Okay, so the double top over this range. Okay, now it's coming back here, tested, and the next hour, if it's opening with a red candle, well, probably we will have a selling signal. I'm talking about selling signal, but I did not say selling entry. Okay, so we have to also understand. Okay, understand how to actually started to go for selling at the very at the lower time frame to identify that situation. Okay, before we actually start selling. Okay, all right. Okay, and now okay. Let's talk. Let's take a look at the high forex new way. Just sold pound yen. Okay, so let's take a look at pound yen. Okay, pound yen over here. Pound yen. Okay, so I believe you have just entered for pound yen over. Okay, you have just sold pound yen now. Okay, I guess there will be a good chance. Okay, so pound yen. Right now, I guess this seems like it's still now it's still moving, all right. So I guess it's still pretty good, all right, within the range. Okay, so right now just hang on with this, all right. So let's see. Just now we're talking about Aussie yen, right? Okay. Uh, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, once again, right? Once again, we are still looking at we are pretty near, very near to the resistance. Okay, we still have about we have less than 10 pips. Okay, where that about. Okay, so yeah, just hang on with this Aussie dollar. All right, yes, just hang on with that. Okay, uh huh. Yes, that's right. Okay. Hmm. Pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is one of my choice as well. Okay, so pound yen. Pound yen. This region here, there's a lot of resistance. There's a groups of resistance over there. Okay, right now. Okay, so I guess this area of resistance is still running quite strong. Okay. Yes. Well. Okay. As the pound yen is still running on the side, testing on the resistance where it is still not very, it's still not very, what, there's no confirmation. Oh, okay. Well, that's it depends on your style. Okay, it depends on your style. Leo Leroy, correct? Leroy. Okay. Leroy over here. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Okay. Uh okay. Over here, right. As we can see, when we lower down to the time frame, we have one actually resistant. Okay, over here, right? So tentatively, we are still within the range. Okay, so tentatively, by looking at this, is it seems like it's going to form a good double top as well. If it's not, if this are not closing, above this area of a resistance. Okay, so probably, yeah. Okay, yes, we are still in the range for pound yen over here. So very likely we still have some chance. Okay? Uh-huh. All right. Okay, so right now we are coming in. Okay, we are coming in for the 1 hour opening. Yeah. Yes, so will there be any specifically any chance that we can actually look out for selling, right? Okay. Well, okay, I think I don't get it. I don't get it. Roy, would you like to elaborate further? Okay. Okay, so okay, I can just call you Roy, huh? Okay, I can just call you Roy. Okay, that's good, Roy. All right, so while waiting for Roy's reply over here, okay, people who just came across my YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button. Aha, okay. All right, let's build this community together so that we can exchange our points and also to learn something from each other. All right, to create a very nice environment for the forex trader out there. Okay. All right. So yeah, okay, so let's see what do we have here. Okay, pound yen at now tentatively is pound yen tentatively is going to, it seems like it's still, it's going to push further up. But are we still in the double top area over here? I would say that yes, we are, because tentatively candle has closed for the last hour, that it falls between, it still fall within the range of the resistance. So I will still say that it is still good. It is still good. Okay, right? Uh-huh. Okay. Next hour will there be any selling for the pound yen? Okay. I wouldn't know now. Okay. Let's see when the H4 is drawing near. Okay. When the H4 opening is drawing near. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so dollar CAD over here, dollar CAD. Now dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD for the past one. Yep, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD right now, okay, as we can see, dollar CAD over here has last week, as I said, tested already. So right now is still coming down now 18 bips. Okay, so I'm for dollar CAD, I will prefer to wait. Okay, I'll prefer to wait for a little while. Okay. As last hour, there's one selling opportunity which I already missed it. Okay, so we will continue for the selling until it meet up with one support, which is actually also pretty near already. Okay, so probably, yeah, just hang on with that. Uh-huh. Okay, just hang on with that, huh? Okay. Okay. Today we don't have music. Okay, today we don't have a music. Some technical issue. Okay, the music is not playing up. Okay, so yeah, just hang on. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Okay, for this case over here. Okay, and dollar cat. I will want to wait. I will want to wait for another lower resistance, which probably okay a lower highs, which are very likely to give me another selling entry, which is I think probably over another 28 pips. Okay, so just hang on with this dollar cat. Since the last hour has already started to sell, but I didn't enter for any trade for that. Then we'll just be patient. Just we have to wait patiently. Okay. Well, okay. Now just pound yen. Let's take a look now. This pound yen. Pound yen. We are still near. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and let me see. Pound cat, Pound cat. Okay. Pound cat over here. Now we are actually retesting. Now we are testing on the resistance. Okay. Now we're testing on the resistance. Okay. So that for this case, okay, and we will be looking at. Okay, hi, Terry's. How yen? Are you selling? No, 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 not yet, not yet, not yet. I am not selling yet. Okay, I'm not selling. I'm not selling it. Okay, we still have. I'm still observing it. All right. Okay, I'm still observing it. Okay. Yep. Yes, today. Pound yen. Okay. Wow. I I find that there's no music a bit boring, right? It's quite boring. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have about another 3 minutes to go. Okay, pound yen. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is right now, pound yen is actually testing on the resistance. Okay, pound yen. Right now, it is testing on the resistance. Right now, it got rejected. When I go down to a lower time frame, I can see that it is actually the rejection is there, right? So still, it's still okay. Still, we are still here. Okay, and I'm still hanging on with that. Okay, still hanging on with hang on. All right. This may be a good chance for this to sell for like say another um Oh, this is quite a big one, huh? Okay. Pound yen, but please remember that this may be a pullback over here. Okay. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to see that right now, okay, right now, we are actually coming into the situation here. Okay. We may have a double top. Okay, let me put it back here. Okay, over here. Okay, over here. All right. So of course the resistance is above, huh? The resistance is above. And let's see over this side here. Okay, but looking at this part here, okay, by looking at this part here, right? The As you can see, this is where the double top, okay, over here, over this range, correct? The range where I will set the rules in. Okay, the range that I will set the rules in. Okay, I will set these rules. Okay, for to measure out the resistance level. Okay, to measure out the resistance level first. Okay, example like this. Okay, somewhere here. As you can see, for the last hour, it actually comes into the range without closing above the range. So this candle is actually still running, right? It is still running, and as it's still running, I am still looking for this opportunity, okay, for selling. But tentatively, it is still not yet there. Okay, it's still testing to break away from the double top. Okay, so just hang on. I will just hang on with this first. Okay. All right, guys, give me a while. Okay, let me go and take a drink. I just finished one cup, and let me get one more in. All right. So while waiting, all right, remember to smash the like button, click the subscribe button, and also ring up the bell. Okay. Right. So sorry today I don't have music for you, so just bear with me for a little while. All right. Why don't you use trading view, bro? Okay. I'm actually using this MT4 view is because we still have I have another groups, okay, which is in MT4. All right. Okay. So yeah, just anyway, MT4. Yeah, I believe for people who are using trading view, you are also very well versed with that. But for people, for some groups over here, they are so used to MT4 and they are not used to the trading view. Okay. All right. So just bear with me. Okay. Right. Thank you so much for your patience for that. Okay, I will be back in a short while. All right. So see you guys later. So just bear with me. Today we have some technical issue here with the playing of the music. So just let me just hang on with me. All right. Thank you so much, guys. All right, guys, I'm back here with you. All right, thank you for your patience. Thank you for waiting for me. Thank you so much. All right, so right now, okay, what we are looking out for now? Okay, so this over here, as we can see now, pound yen is actually wow, it's a surge, and now it's still struggling. Well, I think still fine, pretty fine. Okay, we are still in the range. Okay, so I think still pretty good. Okay, so not so bad. Okay, yeah, just waiting. Okay, just waiting. Right, I'm just waiting for me. Okay, usually what I wait is that for over here. I'll be looking out throughout this slowly. I wanted to wait this to come along with things like in this hour. Okay, there's some there's an engulfing candle starting, but then I will look through these time frames. Okay, lower down all the time frames to ensure there's a selling signal. Then I will start selling from there. Okay, all right. Yes. Over at this point. Okay, over at this point here. Yeah, from here. Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out for. Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out for. For now, actually searching for about 42 pips. I think I'm still waiting for it to come back. Although 42 pips seems a lot. Okay, all right, but not. But I see that there's still potential. So if we can wait outside here. Okay, just hang on with that. Right. Okay, so just see how it goes, all right, before we actually take action. Wow. Okay. Ooh, today the air conditioner is very very cold. I think it's because there's no action in the market, so I need some warming up. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. And now still moving on. Okay, let's see. Right now over here. Okay, we are still moving towards, okay, there's the situation here whereby I guess it is still pretty good. Okay, now it's still pretty good. We are still moving on. Okay, guess this is still quite good. Okay, so yeah, just hang on. I think we are pretty near, getting nearer and nearer. All right, we are getting nearer. So yes, huh. Okay. I am I am what? Sorry, I cannot read Spanish. This is Spanish or Italian? I guess it's Italian now from Riano. Okay. All right. Oh, I see. Okay. It's a great morning to it's a lazy morning in a great morning. It's a lazy morning in a great morning. Okay. I see. All right. Okay. Hi, Terrence. Terrence, may I know where are you from, Terrence? I'm not sure where is Terrence from. Very nice profile logo, right? Okay, so yep. All right, so tentatively still watching over this Pao Yen. I guess I still have a little while to go. You want let's take a look at dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat. Yes, dollar cat over here. Okay, tentatively, I guess it's also pretty obvious that we has hit support. Correct, we have hit the support over here. It's pretty near. Okay, so we have the same support over at this time frame. So as we can see, dollar is actually now pushing very hard on this support. Correct, but it got rejected once. Okay, so during this hour is so near when it opened is that for the first half of the 30 minutes it's actually coming in to test on the support and then it got rejected. All right. So this part here, okay, I guess this is something over here that we can also take a look. All right. Okay. Oh, you're from Singapore, Terrace. Okay. Do you trade gold? As for gold, it's not my forte. All right. Okay. I do trade gold in the past. Okay. Right now, if we use the same analogy, right, we can. I guess. Gold is not really for me. Okay. Right. Okay. Singapore is a nice city. Am I right? All right. So be very careful with pound today. There's no confidence vote today between 1800 and 2000 for Boris Johnson. Yeah, that's what I think so too. Yeah, so getting ready on the pound yen. Okay. Can we sell pound yen now? All right. Can we sell pound yen? Let's go back to pound yen. Take a look. Can we sell pound yen now? Pound yen actually, for me personally, okay, Mr. Sumit, okay, Mr. Sumit, um, where are you from, Mr. Sumit? Okay, while waiting for a reply, let me read pound yen. Right. So basically, pound yen. Okay, I'm still waiting for this because I'm actually waiting for the testing for this resistance. Okay, for this resistance. Okay, whereby this resistance. Oh, you're from India. Okay, nice to see you. Right. So over here and this part here, okay, this part here, all right, is the resistance. This is the resistance over in this range here. So I'm actually waiting for this H4 candle right now to retest. Okay, as you can see, we lower down into H1 time frame. Testing. We are testing on the resistance here. Well, like I say, we are very near 1 hour to H4 opening. Usually 1 hour to H4 opening is very sensitive. Okay, so this is where I will always hang on my trade. I will wait. I will wait for the H4 opening to conclude whether should I enter for a selling in pound yen. Okay, that is something that This is something that I will always pay attention to. Okay, not to go into this a trade at this hour. Okay, usually I will wait. Okay, all right. So me, sir, I'm from India. Oh, India. Okay, okay, India. Right, India. Should I say Namaste? Correct, if I'm not wrong. All right, Namaste. Okay, so hope you have a good day over there. All right, so I will not sell now. Wait for the 1 hour candle to close, measure 61.8, and wait to enter at that point. Okay, yes, Forex New Way. Okay, so yes, so over here, yeah, this is where okay, in my channel over here, all right, we will always share our views. Okay, so we are here to to share and to make this community a better one. All right. So I'm also looking at what the Forex New Ways okay is looking at right now. I'm also waiting for this H4 okay, the H4 candle to close because I don't want it to close above the resistance. Okay, and that is something that is not really a good one for me personally. Okay, then after that, when the H4 candle close, then I will see where is the opening. Okay, where is the opening, and then I will decide which point to enter for a trade. Why is that so? Is because during this point, okay, during this period of time, and especially like now, okay, this is to me is a very sensitive hour. Okay, to me it's a very sensitive hour. Reason behind is that the H4 is opening very soon. Okay, H4 is opening very soon. So usually when the H4 opening, okay, 1 hour before the H4 opening, as the hour is getting nearer to H4 opening, is always getting a little bit of sensitive. All right. So usually I will just pay a little bit of patience to wait for the H4 open. Okay. To determine where is the closing, then I will determine where to sell. Okay. All right. Okay. Right. So I will see that now. Let's see. Okay. So okay. I have a question here. Is it because there will be a lot of retesting on the resistance that may give a false breakout and may hit our stop? Then we'll start to zoom down to where it should be. Perhaps. Okay, perhaps. Okay. You know, usually at this point of time, there will be a lot of in this H4 during H4 opening. Okay, there will have some movements. Okay, from different groups of traders in this industry. Okay. Yep. Okay. So yeah, Sumi, it's 1:56 p.m. here. Okay. Okay. 1:56. Yeah. So it's about one almost so it's about 2.5 hour. It's about 2 hours plus away, huh? Okay. All right. From India. Okay. Now the pound yen is targeting the upper buy stops. Targeting the above buy stop. Yeah. Let's see. Now pound is targeting the above buy stops. So right now let it I would say that it's okay. Let it have the push again. Okay. Then after that, no, after the algorithm has brought in the buy stop, it will reverse. Okay. So after the algorithm has brought in the buy stops. Oh, I see, I see. Okay, Forex New Way. Okay. So yep. So this is something that we okay. It's a good point from Forex New Way. Okay, guys, because Forex New Way used to work in a bank. Okay, so he knows very well how they works. Okay. Okay. So yeah, and this is something that we also that appeared to one of the reasons that sometimes we got to wait. Okay, we have to wait. All right, we have to wait for certain level before actually we actually pump in a trade. Okay, all right. Okay, so just hang on. It's really a very sensitive hour over here. Okay, so while waiting for this, guys, okay, remember to click on the subscribe button to my YouTube channel so that we are all sharing our views here for everyone to learn and get profits together. Okay, all right. So yes, I have been trading for a while. Okay, this market. So now it's time for me to move into a level to relax a little bit. Have been trading. All this while, loans, like I say, lonesome is my best friend. So it's time to build a community. It's time to have friends together to trade. Huh? Am I right, Hubert? Yes. Hubert has been with me for 1.5 years on over my YouTube channel, correct? I guess so. I think it's about 1.5 year. 2 more months to 2 years. 2 more months to 2 years. Is that so? I don't know. I can't remember anyway. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. Ever since COVID has started, okay, then I stopped flying and I flew back and station back here, anchor myself. Then I started to build my to started to build should I say my YouTube channel? Okay, so yeah, I hope every one of you can build it together with me. Okay, importantly, it's not the channel. Importantly, is to build a nice, harmonious community over in this YouTube. Okay, so wish to gather more experts here. Okay, and keen learner to actually share, then we can learn from each other. There are great contributors like Forex New Way and Hubert, Flora, all right, from one of you from Florida, am I right? Okay, and Canada, Germany, Australia, right? And we have people from also Nigeria, right? Okay, and not forgetting, of course, your brother. Your brother, yeah, your brother, yeah, from Switzerland, yeah, Switzerland. Yes, that's right. Okay, and yeah, Carol is from Sydney, correct? Okay, yes, full-time trader. You always appear online. But it's too cold now. Too cold to go anywhere. Okay. Yeah. All right. That's true. Okay, so let's take a look. Some like a Aussie franc. Okay, well, one thing about Aussie franc that I'm looking at, although I'm looking at today. Okay, I usually how do I start trading in a way that I will have my trading analysis. Okay, in a GMT +8, about 13 hours. Okay, which is about MT4 times 9. Okay, 8. Okay, so after that, and I will start for my live trading so that in this live trading over here, we can exchange points. All right. Okay. So Terry's from Singapore. I guess he has also very good experience in trading. I believe. Is Terry's there? Do you have anything to share with us? All right. So Terry, did you attend this crypto event in Singapore in over the weekend, over the last weekend? MBS, Marina Bay Sand. I'm not sure if you're there. All right. So Aussie yen, Aussie is another one that we'll be looking out for because Aussie yen, okay, in H4 right now, the same thing. We have already tested on the resistance as well. So right now, Aussie yen, okay, like I say, Aussie yen over here in terms of technical analysis over here. Okay, I'm looking at this. I'm having this double or the double top range here, the resistance range here. So let's see. Okay, if the next hour, okay, will there be a retrace retracement down here, which I'm looking out for about. About 30 pips away, okay, about 30 pips of profitable space, okay, over about 40, okay, about 40 pips. One, two, let me see. Yeah, it's about 40. Okay, so Aussie yen, I'll be looking out for 40 pips of profitable space there. Okay, all right. So there's Aussie yen is another one that we can look out for. Yep, that's right. Okay, so where is it? Let me see. No. Aussie yen not now. No, this is not the right time yet. This is not the right time yet. Okay. I would say that tentatively by looking at this Aussie yen, okay, I will still have some time. I will still have a way to go, about another 20 minutes. Okay, another 20 minutes so that I'll be able to see where it is going, and probably not there yet. Okay, pound yen. Okay, will be much more. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Pound yen. Coming again now. Going back to retest on the resistance. Okay, looks good already. Coming good. Coming good. Okay, coming good. Okay, coming good. Okay, I guess this may looks also pretty good on the situation here. When like say okay like Forex New Way he has this is what he has actually shared with us. Okay, then this point here. Okay, for example, this is the point here. Okay, I guess largest buy stop orders on the are sitting at 164.55. Okay, so no, no, no. I don't think I draw it correctly. Okay, over here. Okay. Okay, so this is the point. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's wait for this to happen first. Okay, let me see. Let me see. It's 164.55. 164.55. 455. I guess okay. Currently, largest buy stop orders on the pound yen are sitting at 164.55. So estimated. Can we put it that way? Okay. So when these largest buy stop orders on this pound yen are sitting on this 164.55, can I say that would there be a chance that likely it will the price will continue for the buy to the price of 164.55, right? Then after that, okay, after that, like another algorithm has brought in, then it will start selling. Will there be a chance that it will happen this way? Those buy stops are currently protected by two large sales order between 164.40 and 164.50. Once again, those buy stops are largely protected, okay, by two large sell order between 164, 164.40, 440, 164.40. Yes, okay, correct. Okay, I agree here. Okay, and 50. Okay. Yep. Yes. The rest of you, if you have your views, you can also voice out. Okay, for this pound yen. I am actually looking at pound yen. The reason behind is that now it is still, it is still quite close. Okay, I think it's dangerous to trade the pound until after the no confidence votes. I would say, yeah, okay, that's quite true also. Okay, because today actually, okay, so if there is a vote of no confidence, the pound will drop a lot. Uh-huh. Yes, okay. Yeah. So basically, okay, today, okay, this is something that we should be also looking at. Okay, this is something that yeah, plus pound dollar is making a very nice W on the daily time frame. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. I see. Okay, pound dollar. Uh-huh. Okay. The daily time frame. Okay. However, be careful with pound dollar since the volume was very low for the last three daily candles. Yes, it's pretty low. Okay. Right. It is also something that we just need to pay attention to. It is something that we need to understand. Yeah. Because of this vote, okay, then we are also quite concerned because this will actually give a very, I would say it's going to give a very big movement. Okay, so this is something that actually keeps the whole. I think probably the market is very low because I think they are actually all waiting for this day. Okay, today. Okay, something that we should be careful of. All right. Okay. Okay. So yep, that's right over here. Quite near to pound yen. Okay, let's look at pound yen again. Yes, it is still very near to the resistance. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look. Pound dollar. We are talking about pound dollar, right? Okay. Pound dollar. Yeah. Okay. Pound dollar is making a very news W on the time frame. Yeah. You saw that? Don't really quite understand that. Okay. Well, now wait, hang on first. Okay, pound yen. Okay, so why is the pound yen hovering around this area? Pound yen, okay, the pound yen hovering in this area, okay. Firstly, okay, over in this area, okay, H4 is going to open in the next 15 minutes. Am I right? So we are there. This is one of the resistance they're actually trying to break. Okay, so naturally, okay, there will be movement around in this area to break the resistance, and at the same time, it's get resisted down as well. Basing on candlestick. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's right. Perfect. Okay. All right. So yes. Once again, yeah. Okay. We are now actually building up. We are building up this. So okay, let's see. We are building up now. Okay, so we are retesting on the resistance, guys. So this period of time, please stay really very disciplined and patient, so that we will be able to have a clearer picture before we enter for a trade. Okay, right? Actually, the pound is still an actually the pound is still an ADR trade from Friday. From Friday. Okay. I'm sorry, Friday I was not around. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Right. So pound yen, pound yen. I think pound yen. Just hang on. I think pound yen. Just hang on. Yeah. Dollar CAD. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. I saw some different thing that we are coming near. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. For me, as for dollar CAD, okay, tentatively, okay, I will be waiting for dollar CAD to actually break. Okay. To break the support. Okay, to break the support. Right. I will not be entering a trade right now, although we have some space, but the space is not very big. It's about 5 pips to 12. Yeah. So no, no, no. Okay. No, 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 no for me. All right. Okay. What do you mean by this trade should finish at about 12595? 12595, which is about 12595, about here. Okay, which is about here. 12595. 12595. Yeah, it should be around here. Okay. Yeah, this area. Okay. Okay, Forex New is talking about pound dollar. No, 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 not dollar CAD, pound dollar. Pound dollar, pound dollar. Right. Okay. Okay. Yep. Pound yen. There's another question here. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Yes. Actually, what we are talking about here was that this is actually okay. Do you I consider this movement as the candle getting shorter, the volume is getting lower, nearest to the resistance? That means the losing of the strength to buy. Yes, that's one of the signal in the technical analysis. Okay, so you can pay attention to that. Okay, okay. So yes, very yes. That is one way. Yeah, correct. Okay. Yesterday Asian high. Yesterday Asian high. Pound yen, right? You're talking about pound yen. Yeah, this area, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. 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 Correct. Okay. So next. Forex New was saying that yesterday Asian high was 1250 585, so probably it's going to take out this high. Uh, for pound dollar, five. Okay, so estimated here. Okay, 5. Right. So this one. Okay. Yes. So probably going to take out this high. Hmm. Okay. So just look out, look out, look out. Yeah, look out for this. Pound dollar, not pound yen. Pound dollar, the price. Look at the price. Okay, look at the price. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. It's a sleepy Monday until I cannot tell where the price is. Well, that's true. Okay. All right. So, yep. Come along. Okay. I guess there's another one. Yeah, coming along the way. Yes. Okay. So right now, okay. Careful with pound dollar. The algorithm left the Asian almost every day. Okay, that's good. The Asian high for pound dollar. Are you referring to pound dollar? I guess so. Yeah, pound dollar, right? Okay. Okay. So So let's take a look at pound yen. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Forex New Way. Right. Now, okay. Let's see for this pound yen. Okay, pound yen. From May 27, the high was left. May 27. Take a look. Where's May 27? May 27, 1265. Around, no, this is not 1265. The high was 126666. 126666. Okay, so let me draw another one. Let's say here 126666. 12667. Yeah, it should be around there. Okay, I think you are going to sell the pound dollar watch to see what happened at 126. If you are, I think if you are going to sell the pound dollar, what happens at 126? No, no, no. Pound dollar. I guess not now. I guess a pound dollar is actually running to for a recover from the NFP. Okay, last Friday. So recovering from the losses from against the dollar from last Friday NFP. So tentatively, pound dollar is not in the favor for selling for me right now. Okay, for me. Okay, as of now, by looking at this, it's not. I don't think it's a favor. Okay, to sell. Okay, so pound dollar, I will still be looking out for a buy. I will still be looking out for a buy. Right. Maybe like you say, okay, it is now still going probably the good price. Okay. The 4-hour candle that is controlling the pound dollar price has a range of 124,582, 124,582 to 125,942. 125, sorry. 1259.42, 1259.42, and 1248. 124,582. 124,582. 124,582. Okay, the 4-hour candle that is controlling the pound dollar price has a range from yeah, that's right. Yeah. Wow, this is a very good reading here. Good. Okay, that's very good over here. So over here, the daily candle controlling the pound has a top of 1263.43. I will see this 163.43. 1263. Oh, okay. 1263.43. Check. 1263.43. Yep. Okay, so it's around here. Okay, so it's around here. The daily candle control, huh? Okay, the daily candle controlling the pound has a top. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, okay, hang on. The daily candle controlling pound. Uh, let me show. Okay, can you see this? Okay, right. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, yes. Okay, we have 2 minutes to go. We have 2 minutes to go. Right, 2 minutes to go. Oh, okay. Understand now? Good to go? Okay. Okay. Right. Then next. Yes. Yep. Okay. So right. So over here. Okay. Over here. So like Forex New Way was talking about it. The daily candle controlling the pound has a top of a 126,343. So as we can see, this is the range here. Okay. This is the range over here. So currently, I honestly I think the pound is going to rally to about 129, 129 over the next few days. That means it's a buy. Okay, so we are talking about pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. So pound dollar estimated going for a 129. Okay, so it's about here, right? So it's around this area, 129. Okay, so it's around this area. Okay, 129. So Forex New was reading it. Okay, we're thinking about ready up towards the towards this 129. So likely to have a buy, correct? Okay, likely to have a buy as a bullish market. Okay. Tentatively by looking at this, okay, I'm also quite concerned about pound dollar. Okay, I'm also quite concerned about pound dollar because pound dollar, I also looking at probably is on the buying side. Okay, right. Okay, so now the guys, H4 has opened. Right, H4, the new candle of H4 has opened. So let's come back to pound yen. Take a look. Okay, pound yen. Pound yen, let's take a look. What do we have over here in a pound yen so that we can have a better check. Okay, have a better check. Okay, what do we have here? All right. So tentatively, okay. Okay, hang on. Okay, yep. Pound yen. Okay, so let's take a look at pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, 164,431. Okay, this is just now what we are talking about. 164,431, right? Okay, so 16 is 161 is 161.8 for pound yen. 164,431. So this area, okay. 161.8 is the feeble. The feeble. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. So right now, okay, let's take a look at this. Okay. And now let me shrink down a little bit. Okay. With this, okay, the resistance over here, but as you can see, candle has 61.8. No wonder. No, I haven't pulled out yet. Okay. Forex New Way. No wonder Hubert was so confused how to get the 1618. Okay, so right now, okay, as we can see, this high was at 164,448, 164,448. Okay, over on my side here. All right. If we are using different brokers, okay, a different trading brokers, okay, the price may differs a little bit, okay, because of the brokers are using a different LP. So just take note of that, all right. But for me, I'm focusing on what I'm using now. Okay, I'm explaining through what I'm using. Okay, so guys, that's one thing you have to understand. Okay, all right. So over here with this last stage 4, okay, we are on the highest of a 164 448. Okay, 164 448. Okay, so over here, right, right now, as of the closing over here, we can see, okay, so we have a range. Okay, definitely we have a range here. Okay, so just take note of the range where this part. Okay, um we have to take note of where to sell. Okay, selling is coming. Let me see. Where, let me see. The 140. Am I on the? Yep. Okay. Let me see. Pretty small. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So. Well, okay. So look out for the selling signal. I would say that now pound yen. Okay, pound yen. We have this right now. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. Forex New was talking about this. 164,431 is 61.8. So Forex New I believe this is one of the selling signal for this range. Can I say so on your side? Okay, guys, take note. Okay, the current 1 hour just so touch one for current 1 hour. Yes, yes, it has touches this 164,431 and sold. Okay, so this part here, 164,431, 164,431. Okay, this is the part here. Okay, 431. Okay, around here, right? So this is the range. This area is the range of the selling. The range of selling here. Okay. 431. If this does not hold, we will have another new high. If this doesn't hold, okay. If this doesn't hold, all right. Okay, so yeah, because over here right now, as we can see from here, okay, we have a range of resistance over here, okay. So by doing this, okay, by doing this right now, the situation, because yes, I yes, Forex New Way, you are correct. Okay. When you are trading pound today, okay, for me, I will have a trade. Okay, I'll be taking a trade. All right, I'll be taking a trade. Okay, for pound yen. However, today, okay, because of the votes, this is something that we need. Okay, this is something that we need. All right, I have $100 in account. How many lots I sell? Wow, $100. I think you should go for the minimum one. Okay, $100 is an amount for you to test out what is live. Okay, so I suggest probably you can go for the minimum. Okay, for a minimum. Okay, for minimum. Right. So over at this side here, but please remember. Okay, please be remember. Okay, today we have this so-called event of the voting 0.01. Yes, that's right, huh? Okay, but okay, we are now trading before the voting actually begins. So I would suggest, okay, I would suggest, hang on. All right, hang on. All right, I would suggest we should observe. Okay, we should observe. Okay, how's the whole situation go with the voting? Okay, it, if this no confidence voting, how how should I say that? Okay, is should I say that it will rock the market for a while. Can I say so? Forex New Way, Hubert, Flora. Can I say that it will rock the market for a while? All right. So situation like this, okay, and we are just let me see the timing. We are just another 2 hours to go. Okay. Right. So I'm sorry. Okay. So yes, the pound will drop if there is a no confidence vote. Yes, that's what we are looking at. But you see, if we enter now, okay, if enter now, I would say that probably we are taking a bet. Okay, we are taking a bet. So tentatively, okay, uh, okay, situation like this. Okay, situation like this. Okay, it has after the H4 opening, then it has a retest, and now, okay, usually it's always a good sign. There's a selling signal coming soon. Okay, it all depends on where do you want to enter as what you have learned. Okay, or situation like now we are going for we if there's a no confidence vote situation like this, would you want to take a bet? Okay, or would you rather wait? Okay, all right, so situation like this we have to analyze out. Okay, if you are a scalper, okay, and if you scout for like a 5 or 10, okay, probably yeah, okay. But if I'm going for more, I think tentatively I will wait. Okay. As for me, even I scout for a 5, I also want a confident one. Okay, I want to have more or less I should say I want to have a sure thing, right? I want to have a sure thing. So I want to see, okay, the market is how's the reacting. Okay, how's the reaction? Okay, so that we will have the react capability, okay, to to grab the profit. Okay, so that's one thing. But let's say today we don't have this issue, we don't have these events, you know. Okay, so I guess probably there will be already coming in for a selling signal. Okay, the selling signal will be already kicking in for a lot of sellers in the market to get ready to sell. Am I right, Forex New Way? According to the reading right now, okay, for the H4, according to the H4, correct? So Today, it is better to miss the trade than to be caught on the wrong side of the trade. Yeah, so this is what we meant. Okay, before the events starts. Okay, before so-called the events, right? If we're entering a trade, this is the part we also have to take note as a forex trader. Okay, as a forex trader, all right. If you have not entered the market yet, don't trade pound now. Preserve your capital. Alpha Betela, correct? Did I pronounce your name correctly? Nice to see you here. May I know where you're from? I like your phrase. I like this phrase. This is a golden phrase. Okay, guys. Yeah, if you have not entered the market yet, just don't trade pound now. Preserve your capital. Okay, preserve it. Okay, so just remember, okay, just take this we are having a discussion right now. Yes, they're about to have some signal, okay, some sounding signal over there, yes. But then again, consider what is going to happen, what events do we have later on that may change the trend, or it may go deeply according to your direction. So that means to say the probability is 50-50. So when there's a probability of 50-50, I would say the winning ratio also 50-50. So is it worth taking a chance like this? Okay, is it worth taking a chance like this? Well, why not sit back, have a coffee, and discuss what is that? All right. I like this phrase. Okay, good. Thank you, Alpha. Right. So yes. Okay, I like that too. Yes, we are sitting back having a Zoom coffee session. Yeah, I know you guys always Zoom apart from this session. Okay, to look at each other having discussion there. Okay, okay. So, well. Okay, but however, just come back here. Just come back here. Okay. No, no, no. I have not entered any trade. Okay, Terrace, I have not entered any trade. Okay, but however, just come back here with this pound yen. Okay, whenever whenever the H4 opening, okay, we is at it's like entering into a new session. Okay, so one session is over, now coming for another 4 hour sessions. So these 4 hour sessions over here, okay, right, we will go and we will need to analyze once again, how's the reaction is like. Okay, uh so that you can you will have a better entry. Okay, let's assume today we don't have any any votings events or something, just a normal trading day. Okay, let's assume that. Okay, so what is it going to happen is that, all right, what is going to happen is that in such a situation over here, all right, in the H1. Okay, let's take a look of a H1 over here for pound yen. So we are actually beating the H4 resistance as previously we are talking about over this range, correct? Okay, this range. So that's, like I say, resistance. There is no specified uh, level. It's always a range. Okay. Technically, looking at the H4 hour, pound yen is bullish and may continue going high, but again, skip pound until we know the vote result. Exactly. Perfect. Okay. So as we can see, this is what we are talking about. All right. So as bullish as we are talking about. So over here, as we can see, buying a higher a higher support, higher lows, which I always phrase it in a very layman term of higher support towards the resistance, correct? Towards the resistance. So I'm looking at the second half, like earlier on when the analysis stage, looking at the second half of the market, which is the US market, for a pullback, right? So for scalper, you are looking for a pullback, right? Okay, so probably on the second half during the US market, you have a pullback. That's something that we are. That's something that I'm looking out for. All right. So when it's testing on the resistance, which earlier on I'm talking about, which is this one, I'm looking at this. All right. However, okay, candle open. Sorry, the last 4 hours, the candle actually is breaking through my resistance. Okay, and in the area, candle opens above my resistance now. So that means to say the previous resistance may eventually right now come as a support. So right now, if this 1 hour candle is testing on this previous resistance, actually is as a support. Okay, so if next hour is going to set up as a red candle and a green candle for the buy, okay, for the buying as a support above the previous resistance, which is currently now as a support, then what is the ultimate plan for the pound yen to go? Right, very likely it's going to be a buy. Okay, very likely it's going to be a buy. So that's why, okay, apart from the events of the voting, okay, another thing we also need to keep a lookout over here as a very basic knowledge over here. The previous resistance will become a support. So take a look how is the reaction from the market first. Okay, so will that be like another red or green candle setting up to have a buy signal, okay, above the resistance level, okay, or it will break below and retesting the resistance, okay, then we will decide. Okay, but of course today we have an event like voting. We are waiting for the vote result. So we are also currently waiting for them. So don't just based on the okay technical analysis without knowing what's going to happen in the world, and you just move into any trades and just get it for a trade that are waiting for TP for profit taking, then without knowing what's happening is also not right. Okay, because as we know, okay, such event will turn the market upside down. Okay, so we don't know where it will go. I will prefer to wait. All right. Okay, guys. Okay, so hope this will help you. All right. So thank you for Alpha Betella for your contribution. I think that's pretty nice. Thank you so much to contribute to the community here, so that the rest of them will also gain some knowledge from you. All right. So yes, Hubert and company actually say thank you on the other side. All right. Okay. So thank you. Okay. Thanks, Alpha. Okay. That's nice of you. Okay, so I thank you, Hubert, on behalf of Alpha Betella. All right. Okay, so nice. We are creating a very healthy community over here. Okay, and very courteous of you. Okay. Yeah, we have been yeah, like you say, almost 2 years. So we are more or less like friends now. Okay, so yes, it's actually going sideways now. Pound yen. Are we reading it in the right way? Sideways. You are talking about M5, I believe. Okay, so I would say that tentatively it looks like about just hang on. I think we still have some time to go. Okay, right. Are you going to are you going through the voting with us? The voting? No. Okay, right. Okay. Uh, tentatively today. Okay, we just need to be more tactful. Okay, please, because what we are looking out like things like for situation like this. Okay, there will be a lot of maybe I would say some trap. I would say probably there may be some trap along the way. Okay, so so I will prefer to hang on first. Okay, selling. I mean right now I guess this is something that we also need to be very careful. Okay. No, 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 no. No, no, no. This is not exactly I want. Okay. This is not yet. Okay. This is not yet. uh no please. No, no please. Because this is something that I will say that I will say that is some of the movement has there are some speculations in the markets about the results, okay, of the vote result. So I will prefer to wait. I will still prefer to wait, right? I will still prefer to wait. Okay. Exactly, okay. Yes, that's right. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you see. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so you see, there is a that so-called, okay, so-called there's a breakout. Okay, so now it's actually coming back for a retesting. Am I right? A retesting. Okay, or retesting of the previous resistance. Okay, yep, that's right. Okay, so in this case, okay, we are right now on the retesting process. Okay, I for now, I won't be looking at for selling right now. Okay, it's not really that favorable. I would say it's not really that favorable. Yeah. Okay. Yes. We if I'm looking for selling, okay, then I will still be looking out for selling from this way, like when it come down and retest again. Okay, retest again. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, okay. For example, when it come down, break into the resistance area and retest once again. Right, then that that will be the chance for me. That will be the chance for me. Okay. Uh, that will be a chance for me. Or you can have a double top. Okay, the double top. Then that will be another chance. That will be another chance for me. Or another lower highs. Okay, then that will also has a signal for me to grab some. Okay, that will be also that will be also a kind of a signal for me to grab some. Yes. Okay. Yep, that's right. Correct. Okay. Yes. So while waiting, okay, are we going to? No, I think that is something that not really a lot. Okay, so for me, okay, let's. I guess this is, yeah, this is. We just need to wait. Okay, like I said today, no, today there's we have a lot of things I know. So yeah, just wait. Holidays, low liquidity, okay. All right. Okay, so I guess it's about time. I guess today, because of this low volume, okay, the H4 opens, and after testing, sorry, not retesting, it's after testing of this H4. Currently, what we are looking out for, okay, um, we are actually coming back. As for pound yen, we are actually waiting for it to retest the retest the resistance once again without breaking. Then we will be able to sell. Correct? Okay, but of course, in terms of pound today, we are going to experience. We are going to we are going to experience big movement on the second half. Okay, so probably we need to wait for a while. Okay, right? Don't get yourself into the trap. Okay, just now, right? Alpha Betella was saying, um, it's better don't trade, preserve your capital. Okay, just in case. Okay, like a Forex New Way also say, better to miss. Okay, better to miss than to be caught on the wrong side of the trade. Yeah. So this is but you will be thinking, oh my God, today I don't. Since that's the case, today I don't have a chance to make some profit. It's fine. It's fine, guys. It's fine. All right. As a trader, you must know when is the time for you to enter and grab the profit aggressively, and when is the time, okay, to be like a, I would say, as demure like a rabbit, okay, to relax, okay, right. So there are times that that we have to be patient, that we really have to spend it, okay. So make sure that we don't get caught in the wrong direction. That's also very important. Well said. Okay. So yeah, are we still going for, okay, let me take a look. Okay, dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat looks good to me right now. Okay, dollar cat. Right. So dollar cat over here, well, is now we are breaking out of the support level. Am I right? Let me see. 6, 9. Okay, so for dollar cat, okay, so for dollar cat, right now, dollar cat looks like it's pretty nice as well, but it's just that the range, we're just entering to the range. To sell this, probably I would say that it's breaking through and retested, retested now, but I would say the volume may not be there yet. Okay, so this dollar can dollar can. Let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while because okay, I'm afraid that for this dollar cat, it may go into consolidation. Okay, it may go into the consolidation. That after that it may have a spike. The dollar may have a spike tonight. Okay, so when it opens, okay, yeah. So I wouldn't. No, no. For now I will not do anything to dollar cat. Okay, so let's move again. Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, we have a very similar situation now. So tentatively, by looking at this Aussie dollar, H4 opening here. Okay, so I'm actually looking at this range. Okay, I'm looking at this range. Okay, this range here, so that probably it will start forming as a left shoulder, right shoulder, as we come up, head and shoulder. Okay, so but it's still in the making. It is still in the making, but right now doesn't looks like the making is very favorable as well. So it seems like it is still waiting. Okay, today will not be a good day for to me today will not be a good day to actually enter a trade. Okay, reason behind is because of the voting, and this voting, it doesn't give a very clear direction where it is going. So I'd rather just give you a miss. Okay, yeah. Okay, Aussie yen. Let's take a look. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. Yes. Okay, Aussie yen over here. Okay, Aussie yen. Yes, Aussie yen. Once again, okay, we are looking out for this range. We are in the double top here. We have a chance. Aussie yen. Okay. Like Aussie yen looks pretty good. Okay, Aussie yen. And I would say that Aussie yen may have a good chance to sell in the next hour. Okay, we have a good chance to sell in the next hour. So we can pay attention to Aussie yen. And Aussie yen. Let me see. Aussie yen, we are pretty near. Okay. So Aussie yen, I think probably the next hour will be better to show us where is the direction. Okay. Yeah. Aussie yen. Okay. Aussie yen. Correct. That's right, Schubert. Okay. You're looking at Aussie yen too, huh? Okay. Very close. Very close. For Aussie franc, okay, Aussie franc has now pursue his dream to the moon. So I'm not going to touch this Aussie franc for the second half. Just leave it alone. Okay, just leave it alone. Yup, that's correct. Okay, yeah, just leave it alone. Okay, so yep, let's see. There are other pairs to focus our analysis like dollar cat is one, sell only when there's a volume going down. Most of the time, this pair like trapping seller use 28 March 2022 as reference. Dollar cat. Dollar cat is something that I'm looking at just now. Okay, and also that, but you are saying that using March. I see that now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for dollar cat. Okay, 20. Okay, I believe he's talking about this 8 March over here. Am I right? Okay. I guess it should be here. Then go in before I shift. Okay, so 28 March. This area? Okay, this area. Am I right, Alpha? This is the area that we are looking out for. Okay, 28 March here. Let me see. Okay, 28 March. Most of the time, this pair like trapping seller use 28 March like this. Okay, sell only when there's volume going down. Uh, I want to understand over here where Alpha was telling us that 28 March as a reference. Uh, do you mean the 28 March as a reference that the trapping of the sellers? Yeah, I just want to make sure. Okay, I just want to make sure. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay, just hang on. Okay, just hang on. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for Alpha Betella. Okay, to tell us. Okay, right for his sharing. Okay, just wait for his sharing. Okay, so right now. Okay, right now. Okay, I would say that the dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat. It's also one of our focus here that we are looking at selling, but we're waiting for selling volume, like you say. Okay, I think that's pretty in line. Okay, we are aligned. So right now, just waiting for your sharing about. Okay, can we sell pound yen? Hang on, hang on. No, no, no. Pound yen, we are now we are having one support is around 164.03. Okay, about 164.04. Okay, so uh there may be some rejections there. So hang on, hang on. Okay, hang on. All right. Okay, Mr. Sumit. Okay, Mr. Sumit. Uh Currently. currently, okay, so for pound yen, okay, currently for pound yen, I'm actually waiting for the next hour opening. Okay, I'm waiting for the next hour opening to give me a clearer picture before we sell. May I know, Mr. Sumit, do you have any plans that how many pips do you want to get for pound yen? Okay, let's have a drink first. Bear in mind, guys. Okay, when we ask a question, we are not challenging you. Okay, we are just wanted to know. Okay, to clarify. Okay, to make sure that since we are from all international. Okay, then we want to have a sharing. Okay, we want to have a sharing over here. All right. Okay. All right. Don't have clear plans. Today is my first day. Today is your first day of trading. I see. Okay. Uh, well, perhaps since today is our first day of trading, maybe you can take into consideration that there are some support and resistance. Okay, so get a support resistant idea to get a plan for yourself if you are going to sell, and you should get out of support, right, before it touches the support. For example, okay, yes, today I have not mentioned this, right? So I don't know if you have been following. How long have you been following me? But today, for example, here, okay, if I'm going to sell from here, okay, for example, this is a support level. Okay, if I'm going to sell, I will sell around the resistance area. Okay, and when I want to collect my TP, I will get out before it hits on the support level. For example, if this is a support, okay, usually, okay, the support, for example, like this. Sorry, identify the support area, for example. Okay, so the support is like a burning ground. Okay, so the flame is burning up there. So usually when I start selling, I will not place my TP price on the support. Okay, like example, this is 110 pips. I will not place it there. If this is 110, I will take about 75%. So leaving a 25%. Okay, so I will exit my trade around 75 to 80 pips. Okay, around there. So I will TP around this area. I will not put my TP here to push to the limit. Okay, why is that so? It's because, like I said, this is like a burning ground. So the flame is burning upwards. So when you are getting near, you can feel the heat. As you're getting nearer, you can feel the heat even stronger. Correct? So it's getting hotter. So that means to say, actually, there might have some rejections around this area, and it will start to reverse. Okay, so you can use this theory as a plan. Okay. So I'm not sure how long have you been trading in the market. Okay, I'm just sharing my points here. Okay, not to challenge you once again. All right. So yeah, you can take that as a reference to have a plan whenever you enter a trade, so that you know how many pips you're prepared to go. Okay, and once it break out, okay, above going against you, how do you get out of the trade so that you will not you will not burst your pot. Okay, all right. Okay, so I hope my sharing help you. Okay, all right. So over here, and let's take a look right now as for pound yen over this side here, pound yen. Pound yen, yeah, we have about 20 minutes to go. All right, 20 minutes to go. Right now, let's take a look at this part here. I would say that 164 zero something. Okay, about just now I was saying that zero plus something around here. Yeah, estimate. Okay. It should be, yeah. There's I would say that there's support here. Okay. So yeah, when this is the minor support here. Okay. So along the way, I would say that if we enter near to the support, waiting and praying hard that it will break, I think this is very difficult. Okay, I would rather wait for it to break the support, retest the support as a resistance, then I start selling. Okay, so this is not the right time for me. Okay, this is not the right time for me. So yeah, will you find it's a pity that you have missed the number of pips here? No, I will not. Okay, I will not. right? I see it in another way that this is the making. This is the making of the selling. Okay, I will see this as a making. Okay, this red candle. Okay, so that so it will not trigger my anxiety to, oh, can I enter now? Can I enter now? Can I enter now? You know, yeah, better not to. All right, better not to. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is something we just need to make sure. Okay. Right. So just hang on. Okay. If let's say now I'm going to shift down, I'm going to shift down a resistance level, which is about here. Okay. So I will wait for the next level. Okay. The next try. Okay. Next tries when they start to pull back, touches the previous support as a resistance without breaking out. Then start selling again with a green and red candle engulfing coming along. Okay, I guess that would be good. Okay, that would be good. Then from there, I will start selling. Okay, from there, then I will start selling. Yes, when I start selling, of course, the next thing to watch out for is also where should I exit my profitable trade. So it should be around here, right? It should be around here, above that, above about 25%, like I always say. Okay, right. Okay. So should I chase after this dropping candle? No, no, no. Okay, no, no, no. I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback. Right. Right now, I'm waiting for a pullback. Yes. Guys, don't just focus on your attention onto where to enter. Okay. Just focus on the right trade. Keep telling yourself, give a good patience. Okay. Then enter for a right trade. Don't chase after the trade. That is very important. Okay. Uh, am I right, guys? Okay. If you agree, thumbs up. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. All right. So then I hope this will also help you because this is something that a lot of traders will always think that it's always fine. You know, well, when there's a big candle dropping down, I'm going to enter for a trade to chase after it. So to make sure that I don't miss any opportunity, correct? Well, I will say that actually you have fallen into the trap of FOMO. Okay, so better don't. Okay, so right now, example like this, I'm looking at this to retrace upwards to retest the previous support as a resistance in M5, then start trading down, then I will start selling. Okay, all right. Okay, so I think coming quite near. Okay, we are coming quite near. There will be a chance for selling. All right, you see, it's coming up. Okay, so the retracement is coming. The pullback is coming. Okay, so I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for it to have a pullback. Then after that, I will start selling if there's a chance. But of course, I mean that's I'm talking about in normal circumstances without event today. Okay, in uh things like the votes, I believe is about Boris Johnson. Am I right? Okay, so yep. Yes, correct. That's right. Not all, not no. You don't trade anything at every minute. Despite people are telling you you have every second, every minute you are going to make money in forex market. Okay, and I would say that sometimes all these may be some phrases that it's just sweet talking. Okay, as you are a trader, you know. Okay, there are times that you should enter and grab as many as possible. Okay, as many pips as possible. As sometimes we just have to avoid at all costs. Okay, right. So I guess today will be a day that I would say that we are going to avoid at all costs. Okay, because of the situation right now that voting is actually coming quite soon. Correct. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Yeah. I'm just waiting for this how should I say this the result. I should say the result. Okay. If you ask me, I'm not sure. I think probably another 2 hours, maybe. Okay. We will not trade the pound yen. Okay. We will not trade the pound yen until I heard the news already. Also, trading reversal now is risky. Hmm. I do agree. Okay. I do agree. Yeah. Now? Sorry? No, 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 no. Like, I mean, that is one example that I'm telling you. Okay, I'm telling you that when on a normal day there isn't any things like this. Okay, able to trade. Okay, so when the let's say this is a bear trend, and let's say to the pound yen today is a bear trend. Okay, then when it started to have a pull and come back, okay, all right. So of the patterns that we as a resistance, lower, okay, lower resistance, this, yeah. So probably all these are that contribute, yeah. Okay, uh, I guess no, no, no. Sorry, what time will it be holding? Where are you from? Where are you from? Okay, UK hour, UK hour, 18 hours. If it's UK, okay, UK hours, 18 hours. Uh-huh. Okay, so a long way to go, a long way to go. Okay, a long way to go. Okay, we are now having lunch. We are now having lunch. Yeah. Okay. So actually, right now, if I'm trading on the pound yen, it will be high risk. Am I right to say that? Yes, I would say that. Yes. Okay. Try to, I would say, try to wait for the US hour. Okay. If you are a scalper, of course, I guess there will be chance for you. Okay. For people who are right now as a beginner or traders, full-time traders, I think most likely they will be waiting. They will be waiting for the news to come before they start trading. Uh-huh. Okay. Right. Yes, that is correct. Okay. All right. So I guess, guys, I really appreciate the time. For those who are still online with me, and probably I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and give me a smash a like button for going this video with you. Okay, so waiting for my first trade. I will say that I will give you a very first wonderful experience, Mr. Sumit. Okay, Mr. Sumit. Okay, the very first experience, patient. All right, wait. Okay, be patient. Okay, experience, and trust me, if you have that patience, it's always a good habit to build up. In future, your patience will definitely pays. All right. Okay, this is something. All right, I would like to share with you. Today is really something not really favorable. Okay, right now, as you can see, when there's a breakout of resistance. Okay, coming back to retest as a resistance, but it doesn't hold very well. Okay, so it's still not very. I would say it's not very optimistic. Okay, to go for a trade today because it's very rocky. Okay, so since you are having your first trade, I guess you should learn to avoid the rough sea. Okay, don't don't give the virgin trade into the rough sea. It is really not worth the risk. I will say that. Okay. Okay, that's what I meant. All right. Okay. I'm watching your stream from last 2 hours and waiting. Fantastic, fantastic. You know, I've been yes, I've been watching the market since the analysis hour, the first hour. Okay, about your time 11. Okay, about 11 in the morning in India until now. So I'm still not ready. I'm still not ready to enter any trade. You know, because I don't see any opportunity. Wonderful, you have good patience. Okay, so I will give you a suggestion. Okay, Mr. Sumi, just go, shut it down, don't trade. Okay, and go and enjoy the rest of your day. Then perhaps tomorrow we come back again. Okay, and experience it. Okay, experience it. Okay, later on. Okay, around another another 4 hours to 5. Okay, around 4 to 5 hours there. Okay, and perhaps you can come back and take a look how the market reacts by not entering any trade. Okay, trust me, you will be looking at a wow, maybe there's a big candle zooming down and a big candle zooming up. You know, it's very rocky. Pam 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 pam. You know, okay, so yeah, I guess today is also a good time that the whole of the market is actually waiting. Okay, look, look, we have the Aussie Bank, the New Zealand Bank, okay, French, okay, and the rest of the banks are on holiday, correct? On holiday, correct? But UK, okay, confident votes is on today. It's all planned. Am I right? Can I say that it's all planned out? So, as a retail trader, don't be caught in the trap. Okay, right? So there are certain things. There are certain things that by looking at it, you know. So just the New Zealand bank, the Swiss bank, you know, French, German, or the Euro, they are all on holidays. But UK today we have these votes. So what does it mean? Okay, there are some meanings behind it. So just don't fall into the trap. Okay, just in case. You may be lucky that if you actually get some profit, oh, riding on the profits, yeah. But it will actually bring you to the next level of FOMO, and you don't have a proper trading structure by then. That you see, we have viewers over here like Forex New Way, okay, Alpha, okay, and you know they are willing to wait. They are willing to watch without trading. You know, all these are experienced trader. We have experienced trader over here. We are experts over here. Follow them. Follow the way. Follow the way they are going to trade. They are going to wait. We wait. They are going to enter a trade. Why? Okay, and then you decide whether you want to enter for a trade. You get what I mean now? Okay, right, Mr. Sumit. So I hope with my sharing over here, you gain something today, all right, by not risking your first trade. But instead of risking your first trade, I think this is the first lesson you're going to get. I guess that is very good. Okay, all right. Uh huh. I guess that is good, huh? Okay. All right. So I guess we have another 3 minutes. Yes, nice. Okay, we have 3 minutes to go. Okay, so I guess this in these 3 minutes we don't really have a lot of in the next hour of pound yen. We don't we are back into that zone now. Okay, so you see, if we go down, it came down back. Now don't enter. As you can see, the resistance area over here, it went back, break out again to retest the area again. Okay, so over here, it may hover around for a while before we can take action. Okay, I come daily at your stream. Wow, thank you very much. Really, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Okay, really appreciate that. Okay, yeah. All right, guys. I guess this is also time for us to go for a break. Okay, for the day, right? Really appreciate for people who actually come over here in my YouTube channel. Okay, I hope my YouTube channel help most of the people out there to trade, and for the experienced one, we're able to communicate and we're able to come to learn something new or to share something new to the rest so that we can also improve as we are sharing. Am I right? Okay. So today, very likely, I'm not going to give any trades to the market today. Okay. So I'm going to wait for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow to come back and to see how it goes before I take action. Well, as of course in UK 18 hours to 20 hours. Yes. Okay. The movement will come definitely. Okay. All right. We'll come back tomorrow in your live stream. If there will be. Yes, there will be. Okay, there will be. Okay, I will be coming in the London hour. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And remember to click on the subscribe button. All right. How to be like a YouTuber, like click on the like button, smash the like button, click the subscribe button, and also click on the ring of the bell so they can receive the notification. Yeah, I need to practice that so that I look like a YouTuber. Okay, so I'm going to transform myself or from a semi-retired traders. Should I say that? Into a YouTuber. Okay, just a joke. All right. So stay happy, stay calm in order to trade a better forex. Correct? Okay, guys. Thank you so much. So I shall see you tomorrow once again. Okay, and hope you like this channel. Okay, so click on the smash the like button to show a little appreciation. Okay, a little small token of appreciation for my effort here, and also subscribe to my YouTube. All right, so that we can learn and share together, and also ring out the bell to get the notifications. Shall see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again, guys.